Sometimes on Instagram videos, you may have heard comment any word to get the link or the document. So you'll be wondering how this is happening. Actually, they're not personally messaging you those things. It's through automation. That means if you comment anything, automatically one message will be sent to you, and you'll receive that link or document. In this video, we'll be talking about how to set up this Instagram comment automation. For this, there are many services like ManyChat. Then there's the link DM option, and so many other services too. Anyway, for example, we're using the ManyChat service. For this, open any browser, and this application is also available. If you want, you can download that application too. Anyway, in the browser, I'm searching for ManyChat. When you search for that, you can see the ManyChat.com website. Click on the ManyChat website. And when you click on that, you'll reach their website. First, we want to log in through our Meta services. That means through Facebook or Instagram, you need to log in. I have already logged in. If you're not logged in, sometimes you'll reach a page like this. Here, you can log in with Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook, or Telegram. Anyway, for example, I'm selecting Instagram. After that, click on Connect via Meta, and you should give your Meta details here. After that, you need to give some permissions. Here, you can see the Continue option. Click on Continue, and you need to give permissions. Anyway, I have already connected, and if you are not able to connect, what you can do is, here you can see add another account. When you click on that, this will be logged out, and sometimes some error message will show. If that is showing, close this and here again click on Connect via Meta. Now here you can see the Instagram option. So with an Instagram account only, you can log into this ManyChat. Anyway, I have logged in. So after logging in, here you can see 3 lines. Click on these 3 lines and select Home. And when you're scrolling down, you can see Auto DM link from comments. Click on this. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach a page like this. And the thing is that this feature is available even in the free version too. You don't need to take a subscription, but if you are receiving so many messages, you may want to take a subscription. But if you are receiving only a little amount of messages, you don't need any subscription. Anyway, we have given permission. So here you can see every reels from your account. For example, I'm selecting this reel. After selecting that reel, scroll down and here you can see and this comment has and under that you can see a specific word or words. And if you want to add multiple words, you can do that. For example, I'm adding fan. And one thing is that sometimes some spelling mistakes may occur. In that case, you can type alternative words, but you should separate it by comma. So, I am typing some words which others may type incorrectly. So, I have typed the 3 words. In your video, you may tell only one word, but it's better to add words which they may type as mistake. Anyway, under that you can see, reply to their comment under the post. If anyone is commenting and you want to reply to that comment also, you can turn on this. It's better to turn on this. And here you can see 3 options. When you're doing this, either of these will be commented. And if you want, you can edit this also. And anyway, I am keeping it like this. After that, you can see they will get option and under that you can see an opening DM. First an opening DM will go and this is the message, and if you want to edit, you can edit and here you can see send me the link option. So when others are clicking on that only they will get that link. Anyway, I'm setting it like this only. If you want, you can edit. Anyway, here some more options are there, but it's in pro versions only. Anyway, when you're scrolling down, here you can see, and then they will get. That means if they are clicking on this, send me the link, they will get one message. I'm typing that message here and here you can see add a link option. Click on this. Here they can see a button. There I'm typing buy now. So they can see that, buy now option. Anyway, under that, you can see link option. There, you should paste that link. If you are using Amazon, what you need to do is go to Amazon. Anyway, after selecting that product, here you can see share button. Click on the share button. And from here, you need to select your store ID, which you're registered with affiliate program. For example, I'm selecting this. After that, you need to click on copy associate link. That is a must. Then only you'll get affiliate commission. Anyway, after that, again, go to this page, and here in links section, you need to paste that. After that, click on the save button. And after that, here you can see preview and go live. When you're clicking on that, you can see how this will be shown. First, they will receive one message. And when they are clicking on send me the link, they will receive a message like this. When they are clicking on buy now, they will reach Amazon website. Or if you're giving other website, they will reach that. Anyway, click on go live. When you're clicking on that automation will be activated. Here you can see every details. So, this way you can easily enable auto DM link for comments on your Instagram. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.